Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
Okay, this episode of Cock and Bull, we have Kunal Vijayekar, a great philanthropist, a man who gives and doesn't take, discussing all his thoughts with us. Me, Amit, me, and the legend Vijay Kunalkar.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
All right, we'll start with this. At last, I have some good news on Cyrus Says. I'm not going to rant. I'm going to be happy because I've traveled to Bangalore and Delhi in the last 10 days. And here's my surmise. I have to say, Mumbai traffic much better. Mumbai traffic much better. I'm actually happy to be back in Mumbai after Delhi, the pain of Delhi. I lost about 2 limbs in there. And then Bangalore, I lost all the other organs. I couldn't bear it anymore. Nothing moves. Everything is being constructed. There's all kinds of problems and obstacles in your way. Stay in Mumbai. Mumbai is really bad. But Bangalore and Delhi are terrible. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus Says.
Yep, it's called Cock and Bull, introducing our new friend, Amit, of course, our proprietor, as I like to call him, a man who has parking in this building, only he. And with us today, one of the greatest acts in the circus.
Oh, we stole your parking today?
Yeah, you did. But it's okay.
Sorry about that.
I came by bus.
Okay.
As I tell my wife, I come by bus now. Get it? Anyway, let me introduce this lovely man. You're a philosopher, you're a soothsayer, you're a predictor, you're a fornicator, and you're a person who likes to stay at home and do nothing. So in many cases, the right thing to say is you're an Indian. You're a proud Indian. Right. Kunal Vijayekar is with us on Cock and Bull. Amit, what a pleasure. What a man.
I know, it is. It's so much fun. Kunal, the best shows are with Kunal. We always have so much fun with him.
As the ladies say. I don't think so. But let me tell you, Kunal writes every single day because we do the silly show on TV. So he writes every single day from Monday to Thursday. So he's a stockpile of information.
That is what... yeah, exactly.
He scans the newspapers, then he goes on the internet, he borrows jokes, and boom, he's in to go.
But the news is original. The news is original. But the news is original.
Yeah. Although our news is not so original. Look at the SP situation. We'll start with that. The Samajwadi Party going into all this sort of muddle. It's almost for me like the Mahabharata playing
Oedipal,
again.
right? Basically, essentially. Father hates son, son hates father.
It's Mahabharata. All many Greek plays, about 17.
Honestly, and not trying to be funny, yes, it's like the Mahabharata, but if you watch that Prakash Jha's film Rajniti, it's the same story. And the fact that
Prakash Jha stole Mulayam Singh and Akhilesh's story
before they did it.
Damn you, Prakash Jha!
Yes.
Stand up when I'm talking to you. What kind of man does that?
There also there are 2 brothers. One is the senior fellow, one is a younger fellow.
Right.
Their sons are fighting, so it's all the same
thing. And the uncle, as you call it, the brother. Let's use the word uncle so people don't get confused. Is the pivotal role, right?
Yeah,
around the uncle, everything falls.
But
But here there's another uncle, if you want to say that, not of blood, Amar Singh. And what is Amar Singh doing?
But if you speak like that, it's like an auntie. It's not like an uncle.
You watch what you call, who you call.
I'm not calling anybody anything.
All the names mentioned may run the country one day. So be very careful, Mr. Kunal Vijayekar, who makes these comments.
And I believe this kind of thing lives on the net forever and ever.
Forever. It may be our biggest show ever. We think it's nothing. And this is the one show which has 1 million hits. Boom, they come out. You'll be the other statue in UP. But you know what I mean. They freeze you, so it'll be different. Yeah. No, let's get back to it. Yeah. So here's what I want to ask you. There's lots of unanswered questions. Firstly, do you guys know Mulayam Singh had 2 wives? Like I think Akhilesh's mother passed away. Okay. Now there's the other wife. The other wife has a son called Pratik.
Yeah.
And I had a neighbor called Pratik, but not the same guy. So do you think he's trying to push Pratik in some way also and pull back Akhilesh?
It's so weird, right? I mean, like from everything that I've read about this whole situation, it just seems like from day one, Mulayam's been unhappy with the fact that Akhilesh is the CM and has basically...
But he anointed him.
No, but he's getting a certain amount of respect which Mulayam never did, right? And that I think is...
So he's jealous of his own son's popularity?
I think that's what it is,
Which
right?
dad is like that?
Mulayam Singh Yadav.
My God, Mulayam, come here. I need to talk to you about this. This is really strange. So that's one side of the coin, but there are other things also.
But the thing is that this is where I get a little upset with all news channels, is that if this Pratik, where everybody is behind the camera, behind closed doors talking about this Pratik, why hasn't any news channel brought this story up? Everybody's talked about Amar Singh, who's probably, who may or may not be involved in this whole thing. He may be the mastermind, Shivpal Yadav, people know Ram Gopal Yadav, but nobody's actually
That's
doing
another
the story.
problem we're having. There are too many Yadavs, so you have to have a book with you. so you can refer to characters like in a Shakespearean play.
Game of
There
Thrones,
there
right.
are too many names with the same surname. You know, I'll go to one of the Shah weddings that Amit Doshi Shah
I
weddings.
go to many of them.
Yeah, all have the same surname. You know,
All
but
Shah, Mehta, and
Yeah.
basically that's it.
And
right?
Doshi.
No, but coming back,
Not that many
not that
Doshis.
many
Doshis are few and far between. but-
I have Doshis in my family.
can you stop segueing on my show and let me do that? Three of us segue, we'll never reach any point. So back to the SP. See, the one thing that I find very fascinating is, and this will let us segue towards Ratan Tata as well, is there seems to be a thing where you give power to the young generation.
Right.
This is an Indian thing. Mughals and beyond that, right up to Ashoka. You give power to the younger generation,
And then pull it right back.
and you act very egalitarian and democratic and say, now I'm old and I will now do sannyas. And then after some time you're like, wait a minute, I want to control this guy a little bit. They want to control him more. They want to control more. And then before you know it, there's a battle because you actually don't want the guy to do anything. You wanted a puppet.
Because you don't
Which is now
want
similar to
change.
the next story we're coming to.
Yeah.
Is this right? What
Yeah,
you
no,
know?
I think you're absolutely right. I think so. One of the major things in India is you remember Madhav Sindhya, young
course.
Congress leader.
Yes.
he was 55 at the time.
Yes, passed away in the helicopter crash,
Yeah, but
yeah.
I mean, like, it's basically considered a young leader is 55. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, like, this is the
You're right.
we just look at
What you're saying is if you're 53, an elder statesman will come and tell you, beta, your future is ahead of you.
that's what I'm saying, right?
Which also means that for me to become a young leader, I have about 4 years more left.
You got
3
some
years
time.
more left.
You got some
know?
time?
I've got some time left to become a young leader.
I don't know whether you can handle UP politics, man. It's 4 months of the year is really hot, and you have to stand
I
outside.
have
You
no
do
intention
the
of
Padayatra.
handling-
What will you do? You're supposed to walk and meet people. Who's going to do that? Me?
I am not going anywhere near UP. I'm
gotta
not going near the politics.
You've got to
or
be
the
like a
UP.
portrait. You one of those, like a dead leader, a portrait that goes everywhere because you can't go physically.
not a bad idea,
Yeah,
yeah.
I think that would work.
No, but we have a very deferral culture, right? Everything is we defer to elders for everything, and I mean, like, in sometimes the elders are wrong.
Yeah. So, who do you think? If you had to call a spade and a shovel, and a Yadav, which one is the aggressor here, Mulayam or Akhilesh? Akhilesh cried. He was upset. He seemed more hurt, more wrong than wrong.
Right? Who knows, man? I mean, like, this stuff. There's so
No,
many.
I have a problem with the fathers coming back and putting their finger in the
I
file,
have a
man.
problem with that.
You
I have a
release
problem
the
with
guy.
that. I have a problem with that just generally, right? I have a problem with this idea that the older person is always the wiser person. I have a problem with just that thinking
You
in
just don't
general.
like fathers. That's why you didn't join the clergy. I know.
Okay.
Terrible pun. Moving on. But let's take this to
No,
now
but
Ratan
he's,
Tata. and-
yeah, but he's
Yeah, sorry.
right. Just because you're older, you have grey hair, doesn't mean you're always
It's
right.
a huge mistake in our culture that the seniority principle, power. I don't
Exactly.
understand. I think sometimes
No,
if you're a wise man, the older person should touch your feet.
No,
I met
I-
many old people who are stupid. I'm like, excuse me, uncle, Mr. Sharma, touch my feet.
No,
That doesn't happen.
it's ridiculous, right? I mean, like, even if somebody's 3 years older than you, right? He's a senior of yours in college. That shit lasts for ever.
I was
man.
with Javed Akhtar at the airport. You know Javed Akhtar, the famous Urdu poet,
Yes,
and
yes,
that
yes.
fellow. Very nice guy and very funny. And the funny thing is, how many people can touch his feet? And he kept making fun, I was sitting with him, the guy would leave and he'd be like, hey, pura touch nahi kiya. I was like, they don't even take it seriously.
Yeah.
Why do they have to do this whole thing?
No,
You're
it's-
aspiring poets, so
but
the
it's in
great
our
poet
culture.
is...
It's in our culture that touching. The thing we have to think about is now at what point of our lives are people going to start touching our feet?
And
your
where's
feet
the-
and my
I
feet.
said-
Cyrus.
Where's the egalitarianism in the whole process? I'll come to your point, which is basically why can't the older person also raise his foot a little bit? You make the young guy bend, and like the Titanic, he sinks to the floor, and then, there's no movement from the old man. He's just standing there with his feet planted. Put your leg up. Pretend you're scoring a goal.
I do
So
it.
meet him
I do it.
halfway.
Every time I go for
you
a
try to kick their
pedicure.
face. You're just a very mean guy. They're like, show me your face. Kick. Yeah. No, they will touch our feet, Kunal. Don't worry. At some point, someone will touch our feet. We need to surround ourselves with really short people. It's much easier for them. That's what I think.
No.
Let's move now from the same, because I think
No, let's talk
a
about the
huge
Tata
parallel.
thing,
It's
right?
a huge parallel
It
for
is
me.
absolutely the same
It's exactly
thing.
the same thing. If you study this a little bit, and from whatever I've read, which is just 2 minutes of reading,
No, it just happened last night. I got so many WhatsApps. I got WhatsApps of, like, the letter that Ratan Tata sent to the Prime Minister,
Yeah.
the letter he sent to the board. Everybody seems fascinated by Ratan Tata's letter.
right, but which is the real letter?
I don't know. I think it's a real letter. It looks kind of realistic. It's his handwriting.
And what do you write to someone you're sacking? I wonder how does that go? What do you say?
No,
this is
It's
what
been a
you do.
great partnership. We've done so well together. It's time to go our separate ways.
Yeah, but
What?
there are so many of these letters. No, when you're sacking somebody, the letter is always very long.
Yeah,
It's always a very long
for
letter.
that
You
one
can't get to
line,
the
the guy
point,
has to
yeah.
read
No,
400
this
sentences.
is a tiny little letter. So the extent of this letter. So this is a letter that Ratan Tata sent to Modi, which said
Modi ji, that is
Mr. Modi,
we're
Mr.
still-
Prime Minister,
yes,
Mr.
we're
Modi.
still in India. But
So,
what's the
dear
cross?
Mr. Prime Minister, this is to inform you that the board of Tata and Sons has met and has decided to replace Mr. Cyrus Mistry as chairman with immediate effect. A new management structure is being put in place, and a selection committee has been consulted to identify the next chairman of Tata Sons. The committee has been mandated to complete the process in 4 months. That's the extent of the letter. But
But that's almost like telling a friend what's going on. That's
That's it.
Really odd letter.
No, but it's to Modi, no? It's to the Prime Minister.
I'm a little upset. I would have liked a letter saying, "Dear Mr. Prime Minister, a penguin died last week in Baikala Zoo. Not for any fault of the penguins, but because it's 45 degrees and he's not used to anything but minus 45 degrees." But
Right.
that aside, couple of issues here in Tata Press and Tata House. We are changing the guard. Just want to appraise of you that Cyrus
So
is
what
not
I
there
actually,
and I'm back.
so I heard that this the driving force behind this was that the Cyrus Mistry was too hardcore, as in like he was not subscribing to the Tata ethos, if you will.
Yeah, but
he
these
was
are-
looking at profit and loss as an
See,
at a harder level.
Okay, what I've heard, there are many different little options here. One is the chorus deal. One was for, one was against, the letting it go, keeping it.
Right.
The other is that there was a huge debt in Ratan Tata's time, which he had asked Cyrus to look at,
Right.
and he didn't really look at that. He kept that in the back burner. That upset him. There's another thing about the old guard and new guard.
Right.
He wanted, as you would, when a new person comes in, he wants new people with him.
You know,
the old guard wants to stay there and sort of control you. So the controlling forces.
You know, this is all okay. This is all this conjecture, okay? But if
Conjecture?
you go,
I do my research, Mr. Vijay.
No, I'm talking. What
I'm not
I'm
like you.
about to say is conjecture.
Oh, good.
Okay, is that if you go to the beginning of when Ratan Tata took over the Tata Empire from JRD, okay, the first thing that he did was he brought in a set of rules. The retirement age being one
Like
of
no
those rules.
spitting, no touching,
No,
sitting.
the retirement
Like
age.
Kayanis, basically.
The retirement age being the rule, okay? Because of that rule of retirement at 71 or 72 or whatever, Ratan Tata managed to get rid of a lot of the old guard.
Right.
Okay. Little did he realize that
That
he was
he was
also
going
going
to
to
be
reach that
old
age,
guard.
and when he reaches that age, he's fully all there.
He's at his best.
He's fully capable of
Yeah.
doing.
He's being
Why
celebrated.
should he retire?
He's being
You know,
celebrated by Wharton and all the big
But
business
he
schools.
brought in the rule.
brought in the rule.
It was brought in during his tenure.
So what you're saying is he never wanted to let go of power?
It's possible.
You're telling me Ratan
It's
Tata is also an
possible.
Indian? What the hell?
He's
What's
half
going
French,
on?
half French.
No, so
Exactly.
I think this idea, like these retirement ages are very
it's a thought. It's a thought. I don't know.
Guys,
This
what are you
is a
saying?
fact.
This thing happened a couple of years back. So all this while, what's Ratan Tata doing?
He's been an investor. He's been an
Meaning what?
angel investor.
They've already put Cyrus in place, all right?
Uh-huh.
Cyrus Mistry is in place,
Right.
right? It's his so-called his move.
Right.
So why does he wait for so long? If your theory is to hold ground, why
Because
does he wait
see,
for so
the
long?
thing is that you have done this to your own company.
You need a reason also, no?
You
You
have
can't
to.
just,
You can't say, okay, I made this rule, but now I'm going to flaunt the rule and I'm now never going to retire.
Okay,
Although
now-
he may want to do it. He can't do it.
Now here's an unbelievable connection. Do you think that Ratan Tata and Mulayam Singh Yadav will join hands and Akhilesh Yadav will join hands with Cyrus Mistry and the old will fight the young?
I see.
In a true Indian
But there
saga
is some-
called
there is some-
Tata and Beyond.
But there is some story over there as well that there is a whole road deal or a building deal,
Okay.
Which Cyrus Mistry
Not
wanted to do with
building deal,
Akhilesh.
road deal.
Okay.
Something. I'm not sure what exactly. Again, conjecture.
Right.
But Ratan Tata doesn't want to deal with the UP government,
That's
whereas
not. Yeah, so that's the
Cyrus Mistry wanted.
And we want to know if there is a UP government because if they split, then we're not sure who's
No,
who.
but I think that also comes from this fundamental thing, right? I mean, like from what I understand, Cyrus Mistry was a very kind of dollars and cents, like profit and loss. He wanted to get them out of
What he's
all the
trying to
loss
say, he was
making
more
stuff.
Gujarati than Parsi.
I
That's what Amit is trying to say.
Irish,
Fair
Irish,
assumption?
They're Irish,
They-
half Irish.
Irish half or something.
Yeah,
Half
I
Irish.
guess.
Yes.
So a lot of beer as well. That's what we can.
But speaking of Shapurji Palanji and the company,
Huh.
I have just watched a play called Mughal Azam over the
How was
weekend,
that?
which is produced by Shapurji Palanji.
I heard that
Because
was really
they also
interesting.
produced the
How was
film,
it?
right?
They also
Back in
produced
the
the film
50s,
back
they
in
did.
the day.
When K. Asif
With Kamal
was a young
Amrohi.
man.
Was it Kamal Amrohi?
K. Asif.
K. Asif, yes.
Although Kamal Amrohi wrote the dialogues for the film.
Ah, okay.
And they held hands and walked around Bandra. So they're
Okay.
often mistaken for each other. These things happen. Yeah. How was Mughal Azam, Kunal?
How was the play? Yeah.
I think it was spectacular.
But the Kunal
Yeah.
meter, let me explain to people out there. Kunal falls asleep if the play is good after 20 minutes, if it's okay 10 minutes, and if it's terrible in 3 minutes.
I just realized one thing while watching the play, okay?
20 minutes?
No, I was awake through most of it. The Jamshed Baba Theatre, which
Right.
is the most luxurious opera theatre
Right.
in the country,
Right.
is great. But we are so used to sitting in multiplexes with big seats that I no longer can sit in a small seat of an auditorium.
You
of
should
a
have done the
thing.
right thing and gone on stage. They've got these big sets and lots of places to sit.
I need
You want
lazy
your,
boys
you
to sit
want
in.
your
I'm just
recliners.
used to it
yeah,
now.
you
Yeah,
want your recliners.
So a good old
Here's
fashioned
your
play.
appeal to the poorest form, the poorest medium we have in entertainment theatre. With there's no money at all. Can you please go out there and revamp the seats for Kunal so that he can sit and recline while your starving artists put up crappy productions? carrying on with their work.
But this is it.
Yeah, but listen, I mean,
Would you like to be
theater
fed by the
tickets are not
actors
cheap.
at the same time?
Why not?
Yeah.
The theater tickets are not cheap. You
But
should
it's
be.
still not a money-making
yeah,
business.
but still,
Not really.
tickets are not cheap, right?
Have you
So I
seen
mean,
Alec-
like,
Like 4,000 rupees.
Have you
Cyrus,
seen
yeah,
Alec
bro,
Padamsi's clothes? The
Cyrus,
man
but-
has...
Cyrus, but you are doing a play right now, and your top ticket is 2,000 rupees.
Yeah, but
Whereas
only
I
I'm
get-
buying them.
Whereas I get Inox or whatever they call them, those seats for 400
$400.
300 rupees.
you
with
get the
multiple big
the
seats.
450 rupee recliner seat at
And
PVR.
popcorn
There you go.
optional.
700 at the most in the
And
Red
that's the
Lounge or
Ebony
whatever we
Lounge.
want.
Ebony
Ebony Lounge
Lounge
or
at
whatever.
Where the
yeah.
two of you are Ramrod's people watching the film. I can
Whereas Cyrus
accept that.
Brocha's play costs some 2,000 rupee tickets.
It does. I
That's
remember.
because the other actors
Yes.
are very expensive. I'm quite cheap. Someone who looks like you, Naveen. All right, so that's our little epic on fathers and sons,
Yes.
the play of the day.
I think
But
so.
I think we need to move on to some more interesting and silly stories. Now, do you guys know about this one? The New Zealand Premier was supposed to come here this week, the week that we're recording.
Okay.
And he was delayed by, you know what?
What?
And this is an unbelievable story. The plane had a problem after he boarded, and so he's missed his date to come to India. So he's now going to hold back by a couple of days.
Okay.
So obviously,
Here's the funny thing: it's
So
not
he
an
does-
Air India plane. It was a New Zealand plane.
No,
A
but
New Zealand plane.
he doesn't have his own plane.
Yeah.
Yeah, poor country, 4 million people,
poor
40
country.
million sheep. The sheep
How did
vote.
the Prime Minister miss a flight?
I told you the sheep vote. No, he didn't miss the flight. The flight couldn't take off. They had a technical problem.
Oh, okay, all right.
So
okay.
New Zealand plane wasn't good enough, so he couldn't keep the timing and appointment in the day, and so they had to move everything
okay,
around.
okay,
It's
okay,
quite
okay.
funny, I thought. You know,
That's,
he's a heads
Yeah.
of state.
Normally, heads of state have two planes, spare planes.
Yeah,
and
This is
just
New
extra
Zealand.
plane flying next to it.
New Zealand has one plane. There are
Yeah,
4 million
actually-
people. They don't have a
Yeah,
market.
it's a
What do you want
tiny
them to
little
do?
city, country, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Everybody,
It's
all
a
4
great
million
country,
play
huh?
rugby.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great country.
Great
It's a great
country.
country because you like the dairy products and the meat. To tell the truth.
And vast lands where there's no people.
Yeah.
But if you see people, it'll be a Patel. I'm telling you. You'll see it'll be one of us.
And it'll be
Yeah.
Amit Doshi's relative.
Amit Doshi's relative will be signaled, Kunal! Sukaran! Yo! Auckland! Damn you, Kunal. You're absolutely right.
That does not sound unfamiliar to me at all.
Why is it that there are Indians everywhere? I think we're overtaking the Chinese. I entered Brazil, I entered Sao Paulo airport, and the first person who came to talk to me was an Indian from Mumbai. And he was working there for the last 4 years. I was like, but why you? Because they look South American,
Right.
the same skin tone and all. You look sort of South American. So I was like, oh, this guy sort of recognizes us and all. It was a Mahesh, not a Giorgio,
Cyrus.
not a Diego, a
Is this-
Mahesh.
I'm trying to figure out which Mahesh looks like a South American.
But in a general sense,
Come
we
on,
do. A
come
lot of
on,
time.
come
How many people speak to you in Spanish when you go to prostitutes and all that? Remember? You used to come back and tell us. Oh, you don't want to discuss that. All right, let's take a quick break and we'll come back.
Prostitute, which country are we talking about now?
You've gone to only one country, Bangladesh. Your entire life has been about Mumbai to Dhaka. So don't lagao here. Whatever happens. This guy is a big fako master. Should we take a break or should we talk some
Let's
more?
take a break.
Let's take a break because I'm getting tired listening to Kunal. Things he says.
What's the best new restaurant in town?
Which bar sucked?
What's the worst new Hindi film?
What's the most obscure thing to do on the weekend?
And what's the most interesting new walking tour?
If you want to know how to make the most of Bombay, listen to the podcast by thedailypow.com. We are Pranati.
Amit?
And Purva.
We're your guide to what to do, see, and eat in the city. You can find new episodes of the podcast every Monday on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app that you prefer and on thedailypow.com.
Hello, welcome back to Cock and Bull. Amit, after the operation will sound a little different. I'm sorry, we called in a gynac to do a hair transplant and this is what's going to happen. Amit, how are you feeling?
I'm good.
There you see the voice has changed. It's lighter. She's brought on the program. Okay, this is May who's joined us right now.
Hi,
Obviously, my
guys.
bad introduction is a waste of everybody's time. Everybody knows May. You're an iconic voice.
Can I just say I'm so glad Kunal is here?
Yeah, you can.
Because he's the only one that supports me. You and Amit are so anti me. People feel bad for me. People tell me like I
Why
feel
are
bad.
they anti you? What
I don't
anti you
know.
mean?
And-
Because I'm a happy person.
and the paradox
I believe
is-
I believe good in people.
Yeah.
And Cyrus thinks I'm deluded.
She's, I don't want to use the word
Deluded.
stupid or like dumbed down or something, but she actually believes people are nice. Who does that?
Why not?
Oh,
I
God.
don't want to say this on a public forum, but I tend to agree with.
What?
Thank you.
Are you out of your mind? You lying hypocrite fraud. We spent 25 minutes in the car right now where you abused everybody on the road, all communities, all colors, all castes. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but I
You said the only... Shall I tell them Kunal Vijayakar quotes of the day?
I feel
when you were in
kind.
Fountain on a Sunday, you looked around and said, India is such a beautiful place without the Indians. Yes or not? Yes or not?
I never said this.
Yes
I
or not?
Never
You are a
said this.
racist and you are a reverse racist.
never said
You are a
this.
suicidal reverse racist.
But tell me one
you
thing.
hate your own people.
How many
Imagine
times-
a Rottweiler killing only Rottweilers. You're that.
How many times has May appeared on your shows? Tell me now.
Oh, in my dreams, many more times. But I'm sure a few times too. Listen, this show is, for me, the most exciting show because we go through all the news. Unlike when you just talk to a guest, it's about him or her. So, and May's now see, Amit represents the politics and the sociological and the tech angles and sometimes more than that. But she's going to get us back into pop culture, which we leave out because you and I forget about it. So let's go to her now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come.
And you tell us.
You know what I've been doing
you-
like this last week? Mammy. The Mumbai Film Fest.
Oh, I thought you were preggy. Wow,
No.
I was so excited.
No, I'm
I was
not
like,
all Mammy.
No, but that Mammy sounded. I was so happy for you. I was like, wow,
No.
without a husband, you're
I
gonna have a
might
child.
need a guy to get that. Yeah,
No, you don't really. You can get a donor.
Of course.
By the way, Kunal's single as well, man. Not to go off topic.
I can all.
Yeah, and he's been called Mammy before.
I'll give you my number. I'll give you my number quietly on
Okay.
the side.
Let's talk about Mammy, but before that, let's talk about there's a couple of interesting things in the world. One is Karan Johar's picture, "Eh Dil Hai Mushkil," because I find that really funny. What does "eh"? What does "eh" mean?
Eh Dil Hai Mushkil.
But what is "eh"? It's "ae," by the way.
It's like, hey baby.
Yeah, hey.
But hey, baby, I still get.
Yeah.
Eh, dil. It sounds
Because
like a
that is
goat.
in English
So you
and
put
this
a
is the
goat
Hindi
for the first
style.
person, eh, and then dil. What's eh? You explain it. You're the pop culture icon.
Can I tell you something?
Please do.
I can't believe Cyrus is disputing Hindi. Now that you're
It's
Hindi.
not Hindi. It's eh.
Of
course
It's a guttural sound.
It's not a guttural sound.
Eh. What does eh mean?
It's
What does eh mean?
Ye Dil Hai Mushkil is the actual thing.
That's the song.
And
But what is eh?
you know how you do apostrophe
Man's not answering my
EM?
question. What is eh?
I'm answering the question.
Shall I say it in
Once.
German? What the is eh?
It's how do you see apostrophe EM is what?
So they've taken out the Y and kept the rest.
It's Ye Dil Hai Mushkil.
Why
is
they're so
Ye Dil Hai
tired, they
Mushkil.
can't do the whole line. The Y is killing everybody.
Exactly.
And what about Fawad Khan and
Language-
Pakistani artists? Look at the
language-
problems we're having here. By the way, coming back to you, I don't believe a word he's saying. It's all off track as far as I'm concerned. Air is just a sound. I think they just got lazy. All right. So tell us about the whole.
So I wanted to ask you guys what you thought of the fact that Mammy's not playing that Pakistani movie. They had actually decided against, like,
the
screening
Pakistani movie,
the-
which they'd already advertised.
yes.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of that?
Kunal is the man to answer this question because Kunal's views on politics and art are very firm.
No, look, I don't even want to get into this because this will get into, we've got enough trouble. I don't want to get into any more trouble, to be
What
honest.
will they do to you? Are you
Their
Karan
whole
Johar?
thing-
No, but
Then what can they do to you?
I'm
Am I going to tell them you live in Prabhadevi and give you the name of
I'm
the
a
building?
huge
Vaibhav?
coward.
No, I'm not going to do that.
I'm
Look,
a
so
huge
Mammy was
coward.
saying that because there were threats that there were going to be protests at Mammy and things like that, they wanted to make sure and the people were safe and no one was going to get hurt.
But is
So
that
therefore, they were like,
but
we just
is the
won't.
Pakistani film even worth showing? Is
That's
it a good
another thing.
film?
I
That's
don't even
another-
know.
what is that? That's
I'm
one-
assuming that no, if they were going to screen it, then it's good.
Should they screen it or not, Kunal? Come on, put your money where your mouth is. Don't try to be comic about this.
I am not being comic.
But
and
you're
I am-
hiding. You're being a coward.
I'm a coward.
Why are you a
I
coward?
am not getting into controversy in this
So
country.
Raj
No.
Thackeray is going to leave his
I
house, which
refuse.
is 2 minutes from yours, and come here.
It's possible. Anything is possible.
But you were in
this
college with
country.
him. What's the big deal?
It makes me even more frightened.
Okay, honestly, this is only going to be broadcast in Germany.
I
Please
refuse
tell me.
to answer this
And
question.
Bangladesh.
People and Bangladesh.
Can't
Well,
forget.
we have a biggest
I
following.
am very careful in mass media and I will not give my opinion
Should
on
the
this
Pakistani
subject.
film be aired?
Absolutely not.
This is your right answer, or this is your politically
It's
right
probably
answer?
a terrible film, so it's don't. I'm not getting it. I refuse to
You're
get into this
turning blue and
controversy.
purple.
I will not get into
Between
this
being a
controversy.
coward and
Also,
lying, I mean-
what about this?
I have said I'm a coward four
on
times.
principle, what is the Pakistani film got to do with war?
I'll tell you what. Okay, if there is a huge public sentiment against it, I think people should follow the public sentiment.
But
End of
people
story.
are, you know what they say
but
about people
then,
running
you
a
know-
country.
Huh?
That's a very scary thought. Democracy has to be practiced in some
This is who said
form.
You people wanted democracy, now have it.
You people, what did you want? What the hell you do again?
You can't go both ways, okay? Democracy is the will of the people. Now this is the will of the
So
people.
what
This is
did
the will
you
of the
want?
people.
What was your will? You wanted the British to come back? Say it.
No,
Now say that.
not
Come on, say
at
that.
all.
Forget
The thing is,
Pakistan.
people-
Tell us how much you love England.
Yeah.
Come on, say it. Rule Britannia. Sing the damn song.
By the way,
This guy
there's
is
also
terrible.
even with
Adil. Come on. Pretend you're a goat. Say after me. Adil. That's what you say. Yeah,
Adil
yeah.
Hamid.
Adil.
And there's also that M&S, like 5 crore or something, had to be paid by the producers.
That's right. Yes.
That
yes.
also was
Yes, sweetheart.
highly-
That's what happened.
I
We've all
thought she
read
was
the
going to talk
papers.
about
Yes.
pop culture.
I
She's
know.
dead serious, controversial subjects she's bringing up.
Exactly.
I know, it's
She's like an
fine.
accountant.
I am.
Yeah,
and in all this,
they did what we call mandoli in Marathi, and they basically
Yeah, but
paid
even-
off 5 crores to which the army didn't want and feels
Yes, the army thought it
very
was
undignified
ridiculous.
thing to
Look,
do.
why are you doing this to us?
Throw
Yeah.
money at us, you know.
It's
Either
embarrassing,
Either you
yeah.
play the film or you don't. That's it.
Yeah, doesn't matter to
So
them.
since
Yeah.
Kunal has the guts to answer this question, we'll go out of this segment because obviously, what about you, May? And you are a citizen of the world. You grew up in the Gulf. You now live here. You lived in London for 4 years. You tell me, Should they screen the
I
film?
agree with the army. What does it matter, like, about whether
God,
this
she's
is a
more scared than you?
Pakistani- No.
Wow.
What does it matter if, like, it's a Pakistani film that's being screened in India? It makes no difference.
See, my problem
honestly.
from the beginning has been
But
very
she's right,
practical
the
one.
army-
And can I
the
tell you,
army-
in Mammy, there are far more politically controversial films that are being screened there than just one Pakistani movie.
That's right.
No, I think the army has given the best answer actually, considering that
They
we are all,
have.
every news channel says, that if you do this, you are against those people who are dying, the martyrs who are dying on the borders and all that. The army has
ridiculous.
actually given the right answer. He says, we are not concerned with this film. It makes no difference to us whether the film is released or not released. And please don't do extortion in
On our name.
names.
Yeah.
Yes,
And my
exactly.
point is all this
Which is
jingoism
great.
that's out there sometimes. Why don't these guys who scream from channels go and join the army?
I agree
we
with
have
you.
We have a special
Yeah.
force where you can actually join with less
You
training.
can, yeah.
Why don't they join the army and
Yeah,
prove their
but I'm
patriotism?
saying don't even go and fight. Now become a doctor in the army, become a newsreader in the army.
Please understand, to be
Do
a doctor, they have to go
join
through
the
7
army.
years of medical training. You just can't get up and do it.
Sachin Tendulkar joined.
No, you can't. It's not like Dr. Lata Mangeshkar, you moron. Stop it. Stop it.
I've seen his pictures in a
No,
uniform.
I can't talk to
No,
you
they give him some
anymore.
Air Force.
I will not talk.
Wasn't he an Air Force officer?
No!
Of course, they gave him a
It's
uniform.
honorary. What do you think? He's going to fly a MiG into freaking Karachi? No! We can't do that. Man, what is wrong with
I
you?
don't
Why
mind.
did you two have your own show for 8-year-olds? Why am I here? The hell?
Because we love you too much.
Okay, let's talk about Mami. Let's go back to Mami. There are two things that happen which are very exciting about Mami, okay? One is they have a Mami channel on television which is showing you really good films.
Yeah.
Okay?
Free to air, by the way.
Free to air?
Free to air.
Okay.
My
so
wife watches
last
it all
year's
the time.
the whole festival last year is now on air on this channel, Mami channel.
I had no
Okay.
And
idea.
all
That's
kinds of languages and all
amazing.
types of films, and some of them are really good. Especially if you can
really
fast forward the
cool.
boring
And
parts.
the second thing that has happened, which is unbelievable, is the Royal Opera House is reopened.
Yes.
It was lying there
And just to show
dying
you
for the last
that
20
May
years.
knows the opera, I'm going to ask her on the show right now. Name me 2 Mozart operas. You see? Puccini. Give me one name. One Puccini opera.
See, this
Rossini, give me one
just
Rossini
because
opera.
it's on the web, this Puccini, bad words are not allowed. Okay. Okay. Puccini is a Hindi
They
bad
wrote
word.
only one opera. Which
This
one
guy
was
was
it?
trying to talk about
So May.
A for about
So May, you
20
don't know.
minutes, so-
You're up from your Ra, do you?
Like,
You don't know.
How much off
You're
and
up
Ra
from
do you
your
know?
No, I'm just exposed you again, both of you all. I'm just this whole show is about exposing. It's probably like that film Himesh did, Expose. Did you watch that? No
I
Mammy
never
Festival is
claimed
playing
to know
Expose.
anything
I can
about
tell you
opera,
that.
sadly, you know.
Quick surmise, quick summary on Mami. 2 or 3 films that you remember that you think were really good.
So I actually watched this film called Graduation, which is a Romanian film that won the Palme d'Or at the Cannes Film Festival. It was very, very good.
Is
Really
it a
simple
sad
story.
film?
Yeah,
European
it's
movies
not,
tend to be a
it's
little
not,
tragic.
It's not. Well, no film that wins awards is supposed to be
But
particularly.
why is that?
preachy.
That's like a prejudice. It's like, how
No,
can
but
it's
that's
like
what they
racism?
say. Like at the Oscars, for example, a comedy never wins an Oscar.
That's really unfair.
Just
It is unfair.
It's wrong. How can you pre-decide that, it has
Nothing's
to be
like
a
12
sad
Years
film?
a Slave and all that win
Yeah,
the Oscars.
God.
And how?
If you don't show suffering, it's not worth giving an Oscar. That's terrible. What is the suffering the audience goes through watching the suffering film?
I agree
Think
with
about
you.
that.
I agree. I think some comedy should win an
Yeah.
Oscar. Should win.
Well, of
a
course, in
Palme d'Or.
India, our genres are not so well defined.
Though-
So our films which are tragic,
But
from
we
the
are never-
director's point of
There
view,
is-
are
there
comic
is
in reality.
for-
So they work.
But we have
both
no
ways.
genre-related awards.
We don't.
We don't
Whoever
have genre.
turns up, whoever
Yeah,
turns
yeah.
up. Yeah.
By the way-
actor aa gaya? Best actor.
And now the heroes
Not
get
last
all the
year.
best villain award they get, the
Best supporting actor for walking
they
into
get,
another film by
the
mistake.
best comedian also they get.
For hosting the awards, 2 awards are
And sooner
guaranteed.
and later, our heroes are going to get best heroine award also.
I think
best
so.
female lead
It's a
also they'll
sexist
get,
country.
yeah.
I don't see the women surviving.
By the way, 2 years ago, there is a comedy film that was nominated for Best Film of the Year, and that was The Grand Budapest Hotel, which is the only one that came really close.
Which had 2 Indian characters. Dev Patel, who's vaguely Indian but lives there, so I don't know how.
Dave
Dave
Patel's
Patel
not
is
in
not in
it.
the film.
He's not in the Grand Budapest.
Simply anything.
Hotel.
Oh, do you know you're off from your art?
Do you know your holly from your wood?
I'll show you I would right now, Mr. Holly. Oh. All right, before we wind up, the last subject for the day is sports. You both love sports.
Can I go out?
I want to do footy
Yeah,
for 1
can I,
minute.
like, I'm gonna
Liverpool
die.
on a hot streak and Man U going downhill. What are your thoughts? Man U have lost 5 of the last 6 games. Your thoughts?
You're on your own here.
You don't know
Yeah,
your
you
foot
really
from your
are.
ball. You don't know your kick from your kit.
Yeah.
I could have said tit. I said kit.
I'm
Okay.
so glad. I
All
feel
right.
privileged.
I want to ask you one question. New Zealand Premier didn't make it in time. New Zealand team really not able to win much in India. There's a parallel there already. It's like we've not done our Mehman culture properly. Treated them with disrespect. The boss doesn't want to come in. Yeah. Janet Jackson, last topic.
He's just talking on his own right now.
But there's no point. You're not interested. You don't know anything. You don't care. What am I supposed to do? Janet Jackson has converted to Islam and married this super rich guy from the Gulf. Well, from I think he's from Jordan.
Have you just made this up?
I haven't. And there are pictures of her. You got to see with the sort of hijab and these long coats and all. It's amazing. This is Janet Jackson, who when I was growing up was amongst the most raunchy and
really
sexual and really out there. If you look at the
she was.
pictures and the songs and the explicit material, wow. Kunal, there's hope for you.
What?
You might become a
Marry a
conservative
man from
one day.
Jordan.
I hope so. Do you know your jaw from your Dan?
Well, good for her. I think everybody should do what they want to do. The question is, would she marry a poor little Muslim man from Muzaffarnagar?
That's a good point.
That's the
Even
issue.
our models here, I did some research once. Some of our leading models in India, many of them just end up marrying these really rich men. There's no story of this leading model who marries this really poor man who's struggling. That would be a lovely romantic story, but never happens.
You know what I have total respect for? Tina Turner marrying someone in her like mid 70s, I think. Like, that's awesome. It doesn't matter like how
So
old
it's
you
not
are.
Tina
like,
turn
that's-
her, it's Tina turn him because he can't move now. She's that old. All right, guys, we've got to go into what is called the
AMAs.
AMAs. Will you hang around for that?
I will hang around if you want.
Oh,
Hello there, my name is Naveen Narona, and as a gay person in India, I get asked a lot of stupid questions.
Beta, is it LGBT or eligibility?
How do two men procreate?
Bro, is Grindr better than Tinder or what?
We answer all these questions and much more on my podcast, Keeping It Queer, where I talk to individuals from the LGBT community in India and learn about their personal stories. Catch all the episodes on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app you like. Till then, keep it queer.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Here are the AMAs. We've got Kunal on Cock and Bull. Kunal, you'll play the role of the bull.
Okay.
All right.
Are you saying I'm the cock?
I never said that. May, come on, we get sued. All right, May, what's up on the AMAs?
Okay, so AMAs. We've got Rohit Rai that says, Cyrus most of the time says that Viv Richards is the greatest cricketer of all time.
No, I never
Why
said
hasn't he gone beyond Viv?
No, I never said that. I said my favorite cricketer.
During Viv's time, there was only one team playing cricket. What about Sachin and Rahul Dravid? What about Callis? That's Rohit's
It's very difficult to, Rohit, let me tell you something. You can't compare eras. They're all great cricketers in their own right. But let's remember 5 things, okay? No helmet. Uncovered pitches, 1 yard closer, different rules in terms of where you can place fielders, and above all, only 1 bouncer per over per batsman for most of Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar's test career. So we want to compare that with what Viv Richards went to. I think, I don't know. As far as fast bowling goes, I think none of them would have played fast bowling as well as Viv Richards. No question in my book. But who am I? I'm just an Indian guy who played 95 test matches in the back of my balcony growing up at the age of 9 to 15. Kunal's fallen asleep, by the way. Any cricket question, and he basically just decimates and dies.
No, cricket question, but recently...
Let me see if she knows a crick from her it.
No. But,
please can I ask her
to get a little serious, recently there was this huge rumor about Farokh Engineer dying. Okay,
yeah, that was scary.
Which is not a very good thing to do. I don't know who starts these rumors.
There was Shah Rukh Khan 2 years back, if I remember correctly. There was a couple of other famous people, and it's damn scary because I called up my family to say, "Oh God, Farokh Engineer, we're very cricket crazy, especially old cricketers." Yeah. But then Kunal says that's just gossip going on.
No, because I got the news yesterday from your mother actually.
Who I gave the news back to.
So she'd come from the club and everybody was talking about it at the Cricket Club of India.
The Cricket
Club of India.
So
this is irony.
I referred to the Bible of cricket and the Bible of everything, which is Facebook. And I found Shishir Hatangadi on it,
who's now got hair.
Yeah, who's got hair.
He, like Harsha, have broken scientific rules. They got hair in their 50s after losing it in their 40s.
And he had clearly said it's a rumor and please don't spread it and etc. etc. Clayton Mazzello is in touch with Farokh Engineer. He's just said he's okay an hour ago.
They both go to the same tailor. Yeah. I don't want to say anything more about that. But yeah. And we don't need any... We have very few engineers left in the country in any case. Let's just, keep them with us. Back to you, May.
Actually, you know what? A friend of mine went through this whole rumors of not being... So a friend of a friend, there were all these things on Facebook about how she was in a car accident, she was in the hospital and that kind of thing. And her and this girl have the same name. So when it came up on Facebook, everyone thought this girl was her and it wasn't her. So yeah, it was a bit...
Yeah, what about this tennis player? What's his name, man?
Leander?
No, this tennis player just now.
Novak Djokovic?
No.
Federer?
Roger Federer.
You can't remember Federer's name?
You took 3 names to remember?
I know who you're talking about. I'm going to the ratings.
Roger Federer was in a car accident last week. Huge news.
Huh.
He tweeted an hour later saying, "I'm fine."
I'm on a scooter.
Yeah.
He's lying. Yeah.
Okay, so
Next one, May.
what would your autobiography be called, and who would you dedicate it to?
Kunal, answer this. This question is for me, but they didn't know you were here.
But how the hell am I
Because
going
you
to
spend more time in my house than I do. So
But
please
your
tell the truth.
autobiography, I don't know what you're going to call
Just
it.
project. Don't act like an idiot. You can project.
No, he's not. Don't be mean.
Don't
Don't be
make me
mean to
behaving like I
Kunal.
can't do it. And now you're making him feel all hurt.
No, I'm
Kunal's
not
only getting criticism. He's all hurt. Now he's
really
going to cry.
don't know what
Are
you
gonna
call
cry?
your. What are you going to call your?
Are you doing an Akhilesh? Are you going to cry?
Why would I know what you're going to call
I'm
your
gonna give
autobiography?
Kunal a hug now.
I'm going to
I
call
know.
it The Man, The Legend.
But it's not writing about
Street
me.
Hawk?
You're writing about yourself.
Yes.
Why should you call it Man and Legend?
Do you guys ever watch Street
Do you
Hawk?
always laugh? Look at what the hell
Have
we're
you
going
guys
through.
seen Street Hawk? Like
Street Hog?
Street Hawk? It was like this TV series, the bike.
Street Hawk, I've done an ad for it. It was a bike, yeah.
Yeah, so like
Street
the
Hawk
man,
bike.
the
With
machine,
Ram.
Street Hawk. I
That
remember
was me. That was me.
That
It
was you?
on me.
That was
Yeah,
not
yeah.
you. You were not on Street
And
Hawk.
what was the second part of the question? Name the book.
And
eh?
who would you dedicate it to?
Oh, I would dedicate it to. That would be a good question. I would like to dedicate it to all my fans, but I've told them only one. So she's my
it
mother.
me?
So,
Oh.
so let's just go with that then.
To Ma and May. Me also know.
To Ma and May.
Yeah.
Sounds like a Korean book now.
It's nice. It's nice.
Come on, I need some. Okay, last question. This is from Tejas. He says, how about doing a show on your Bakra experiences? I love that show, and I remember you had a lot of nice, bad, and weird experiences during the MTV Bakra.
Yeah, Bakra is like
days.
that Lalita Ji in surf for me. If you guys grew up in the 70s, 80s, you know about the surf ad in Lalita Ji. That poor woman was called Lalita Ji because it was such a big ad. So all her life, even when she got married, her husband called her Lalita Ji while they were making out. She's like, I said, no, my real name is Alpana. Whatever her real name was. So, so it's like a curse sometimes. Because even now, the airport, they still ask me about Bakra. I'm like, I did so much after
But
that.
why is it a curse? It's something that you did which was very
Exactly.
popular. People like
Oh,
it.
that guy kept talking
And
about Bakra all the time.
isn't that
And you
channel
brought
celebrating
such-
25 years or something
Yeah.
and they're running old things of yours? You look very young.
That's my son. It's my son, yes. On the
Yeah, but you
channel.
also have to know that brought so much joy, and it was such
Joy?
fun. Joy.
Teasing
joy.
poor low middle class people who've had
Yes.
enough pain in their lives,
Prank
making them
them.
feel even worse, pushing their heads into the dust and stamping on their faces till
That's
they cry.
what you did.
That's
Come
what we did.
on.
That's what he
Social
really
message. I thought
does.
it
That's
was
his
relevant.
personality.
That's true.
Yeah.
You torture
Man does
people.
what comes naturally to him. Yeah, you're right.
It's true. You torture people, but it's funny
Yeah, it was
when
fun.
you do.
It was fun. But I'm sick of answering that. Please refer all these questions to Kunal Vijayakar. He knows more about
Hi,
all this
Kunal.
than me. Okay, one final question for Kunal. Since we brought him here, don't make him feel left out.
Now,
I am
why-
not feeling left out. I'm fine. Yes, what is the question?
why do all the American accent imitations you do sound like a cross between Aussie and Texan? Says A. Ali on Twitter.
Ali, you're bang on. I think I spend too much time listening to Australian cricket commentary, so I always fall back onto that. It's a bit like Kunal's Bengali, which starts Bengali and goes to Maharashtra.
Kunal, you're so good
all
at
my
accents.
accents start Marathi, Gujarati, and go to Bengali. Finally.
Yes.
Everything becomes Bengali
You're
by the
so
time.
good with
Okay.
accents, though.
It's difficult to understand.
Actually, I'm
Yeah.
not. It's
You're
a
not?
it's a misnomer.
My
I do-
mother loves
I do
you
only
doing the Goan
three-
guy.
the
She
Goan
literally
Goan guy
does.
is all easy for him. We're talking about the slightly newer ones.
Yeah, you ask me to do any accent above Gujarat and it doesn't
Parsi,
happen.
Goan, Maharashtrian is like in your sleep, okay?
Yeah,
Because
but-
the three
but
communities
what
he
about
knows
South
inside
Indian
out.
accents?
Gujarati.
I've never heard
These
your
four he
South
does
Indian
in
But
his
my
sleep.
South Indian is a very generic South Indian. You
South
can't- you
Indian
don't-
is a racist accent because it starts
not.
Malayali and then it goes into Tamil.
I
It just
can
it
do,
switches.
like,
It's
I
all-
know
and then
Malayali. I
it
can
always
do
ends
the
up Bengali,
accents.
and if it's a very long gag, it becomes Maharashtrian again. So he's a secular.
Very
actor,
long, it
secular.
becomes- it ends in British. My accent turns British.
Yes,
I
the
love
true
accents.
colours.
They're the best.
May, thank you so much. Cock and Bull once again rocking for me. Honestly, I'm going to only listen to this episode. Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called May.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Long ago, three young men decided to form an alliance and get into a future. The three men were Amar Akbar Anthony, and the film, of course, was beautiful. But we have three other men who formed a Geek Fruit. Not so interesting story. But their future is all about science fiction, nerd culture, and comic books. That's right. If you're too lazy to read a full book, read a comic book. If you're too lazy to read a comic book, let Geek Fruit tell you about a comic book. And comic books. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Happy listening, mother and fathers.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to catch some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.